What's up? It's about time we do it once again. Today is Memorial Day, so I'm not anticipating any movement in the market, but Amy needs to go. So we could try and see if we can get, you know. So we are actually above today's POC, or we can see the balance area. We came into yesterday's price action, or rather where everything was traded. So let's see if today we're going to see that movement in the market. I think what we might see is it's looking more bearish back to this area. This kind of was a consolidated area, even though it was looking more of a bullish trend. But we could see it like market open, and yesterday was 25, right? Today's, I'm not sure. Let me try and get. Um, I think yesterday was bank holiday. So today is Tuesday and we don't have anything going on. Actually, we have at 4 p.m. we do have like a consumer confidence, which is not something major. So let's see how it plays out today. So let me try in 5 minutes. We go try and check. So we have a naked POC right here at 29,969. And we have kinda currently we could say we're bullish in a way on that bearish momentum. So we could be having um a higher low or something, or lower high. So let me try and this might be our first place. Let me try and see if I can extend. Let me just take. So this is crazy. Even before market open, when you have all this. So we do have a 15 minutes right here, which if this is broken, then it might be a confirmation we are heading to the downside, but which is good. I would love to see a closure in the next. Whoa, this will be the first resistance, like a support right here. CVD is looking bearish. Let's see. Trap buys, sellers I'm in. Five seconds. Yeah. I actually wanted to take a buy because of what I saw right here, and actually I was checking at the support right here. So I'll take a sell right there. Then we should target. So currently we're not seeing participation of, but we want this 5 minutes to close below, which should be good. So buyers coming in, but we have CVD looking bearish. I don't like how it looks, you know. We have CVD looking more bearish. So let's see what. So we should be targeting around, but mind you, there is this support right here, and currently this might be, more of a support right here. So I really want to protect myself around here. I'm not sure if we'll be targeting right here, so probability is, it might be heading to here, which I should be willing to get out as soon as we start tapping into this. So I'll just protect myself right here. Below this at the end of the day, I'm not because we have VWAP right here, so probability is this will actually turn around. Probability is very high, but we just have to wait and see. I love what I'm seeing right here. I love what I'm seeing. So another push, it will be good, but I should protect myself right here because I'm not looking. So I'll just trail. I just put it right here. We have VWAP. I don't know if we're gonna get any, so I'm okay to get out of this trade as soon as we. I don't like how these sellers are not getting the response they need, but I just be trading. Mind you, target is having $500, and I should be out of that trade. The next candle is right there. So just in case it turns, yeah, I'm okay to be out of that trade. Once 500 is hit, I should be out of that trade as soon as right here. I'm out of that trade. I'm out of that trade right there. Beautiful. So we could take the last trade, and this one I have to reduce of the VWAP since should be right here. I wanted to react to that VWAP and take out all these sellers right here. If in any case I'm wrong, I should be out of this trade right there. I might take profit right here. I'll be trailing this trade. So it's around 292983. I just want to see this reaction from this VWAP right here. Just in case it doesn't work out, I should be out if we close below this candle. I want to see a push I'm not seeing interest, so we might be heading to, so right there, risk free. This is my target right here. We are risk free. To 80. I'm out of that trade. We're up 467, which is awesome. Let's see if we, so we tested that uh, value area low. We have interest of buyers. All these sellers have been squeezed right here. So the only problem is we broke right here. So this could be a lower high right here. So let's see if we go across right here, or it will become a resistance. The funniest part is we literally ton, from right here to just going down. Then all of a sudden we're trying to go upward. Yeah, so this is a clear indication like we're heading to the upside, but then again we're still on this resistance level, which I might think we might see trap buyers right here, despite we pushing up, but still looks more bearish. Actually, you see, like we have more sellers on this level, but price is pushing higher. So this could be, I can bet on that. Um, you know, so Let me try and get into a sell right here. Just a little bit push to the upside. Yeah, like that. Then let me get that. Then just put right here. I don't want to risk way too much. I'm out of that trade. Still, we look bearish. Let's see if try bias right here. If I'm stopped out again, I'm done for the day. Let me just give it a little bit room right there. This is a loss. It's weird how we have sellers coming in right here, but still should we will be stopped out or what? Okay, let's get into then the buys so that we can just target the POC right here. It's around 29. Let's put 3. Yeah. I think we will be literally crush that POC. I have more sellers coming in. You can see CVD is looking bearish. So I just target right there. Just in case. Let's see if we're gonna get to the 3 with the 3,000. I think that should be enough. If we push a bit higher than that, then I'll be out just in case it turn over because already we're reaching very area high. So I'm just trailing. I should be out of that trade. Yeah, like 30 points in, and we're back at 400. So just take some few cells right here. Then I'll put above 29. 29. Yeah, sure. This is my last trade. I'm doing it because of this CVD right here. We have more seller intention around this price area. So if we have to go down, but mind you, this is right here, they are squeezed, kind of squeezed in a way. So we might still, we already broke that high. So we might continue up, So yeah. So my it's around 300 like that, 3,000 psychological area. I like how we look at the CVD. We have intention of buyers taking price higher, but the volume that is coming in is showing that sellers are dominating. But mind you, on the CVD, it's kind of more of a bullish trend of the CVD side, because if we break this, then we're kind of on a downtrend on the CVD. So this might be a risky trade for me as well, because we already broke that high, so we might be continuing and we have squeezed buyers. So probability is still we might be having this not a cleared indication of we're heading to the downside. Rather, it's a consolidation zone to get into more buys. I'd love to see this being broken, but not what I'm seeing right now. This consolidation after breaking this high, it's a clear indication that we might be continuing to the upside. Already we are, I would see a break of that, but I'm not sure. I just put back into that, but I'm not seeing anything aside. Yeah, I love what I'm seeing. I love what I'm seeing. So I'm already protected. I like how we have this right here, and below that I should be protected right here. I like what I'm seeing. I should put right here just in case I'm talk out. It's fine by me. It's fine by me. So still up 700. If we see so we're still in on this. So right here, probability is a buy. Target right here. Then I'll just target this because then I'll bring my stop loss to break even because we are above 10 points, just in case I'm wrong. CVD is still looking bullish. I think I will be stopped out here. Yeah, it's okay. So I think we are testing right here. But if we see this broken, then that means I should be my stop loss is right here, and I'll be targeting this as my last. Targeting that as my last place to. This is my A plus setup, or rather, I like what I'm seeing right here. It's almost an hour. I don't like how we close right here. That's number one. I don't like how we closed, but let's see what happens. I think we'll be stopped out right here. And I think this will be my last trade. On the CVD side, we do have a momentum, a downside momentum. I think I should carry right here, above right here, and let it play out. This should serve as my um, higher time frame, like liquidation zone. If it doesn't work out, I will literally have given back to the market half of what I have right now, which is absolutely insane. Let's see if I get stopped out. And some few almost get almost. Let's see if I get stopped out. So this is 15 minutes opening. Sorry. It's 15 minutes. What's happening to me? It's 15 minutes opening range, and as and as you know, 15 minutes opening range. What it means, if it's above, then you should take only buys. After the breakout, you should take a buy or some. For me, CVD is looking really, really good. But you never know. It might turn in just minutes. Yeah, I'm out of that trade. and we're back to so we're still bullish at this point, but on the CVD side, this is the highest. What is TPO saying? So we're above. So we broke yesterday's POC. Which is good. More buyers coming in. This is what I was saying. Like you have 1 minute CVDs telling you, bro, I got your buck. Then the next minute, crazy stuff. I'll take a sell right here. We have all these buyers coming in right here, but still, there's no, you know, should be. Before I start, I might be, yeah. So we close above, so it's a clear indication that we might be heading to the upside, and should be we just might be closing right here, just in and not doing anything, only testing, because we have more buyers right here at this zone. So this should be my next liquidation, just in case. So we have more buyers at this area, more than the only thing I'm interested right here is we have more buyers at this area, right? But we're not seeing interest of, price moving rapidly. Rather, we're just having this humongous um, orders coming in right here, but there's no interest of that pushing higher. If they're squeezed, I think the next place If we close inside, back inside right here, I think the next place will be right here. But you never know. We're still bullish in a way, so and this might be around here, so I'll just target this as somewhere just to I'm not seeing like it will move, you know, way too much since we are on that, bullish retracement, higher time frame. Um so we still 300 up. CBD looking good for me. Let's see if these get violated. This inversion right here. And actually on TPO, we might see this low volume node right here, but also this uh, the naked POC being a support area. So we close above, but we have room for correction, which is not given at the end of the day. So you just have to work with what you have right now, which is managing your risk. That's it. But for me, I'm seeing CVD from this angle right here as having a support area, as well as this correction right here, and this will be, you know, a place where we could consider a support zone right here. So below here, I should move my stop loss here, and see what price might do. Also, we do have a small support right here, which I don't know if might be broken, but I want to see this being broken right here. So above right here, I'm out of that trade. Well, actually, I should actually move it right here. If I'm taken out, then I'll be out of that trade. I'm okay to be out. CVD looking good. Maybe we might be stopped out. Wait, let me just put it right here. Just right there. Just in case we get tapped. Because we have a small consolidation right here. I think, yeah, nah. Yeah, if we get tapped, then this is this right there. This clearly, if we close above, clearly indicates that according to my strategy, this has been violated. So we need to get buys rather than, that is what it means. I think I'll flatten this because right here you have to get buys and my stop loss is right there. If we close inside again, then I've been violated. But this clearly mean, according to my strategy, I need to be on the other side, or if the movement is going bullish, this is what I should take. And my stop loss is right here just in case if it doesn't work out. We're just getting whipped. I think we might see a correction rather than an expansion. That is what I'm seeing right here. An 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 expansion. I'm not getting an expansion type of, so yeah, I'm not getting an expansion type of vibe on this. I'm just getting a consolidation, you know. Yeah. So this, I'll just put stop loss right there. Yes, I'm not getting an expansion, but and this should be my last trade. More buyers coming in. 86 from positive to negative. As I said, I'm not seeing it from an expansion side. I'm just seeing it from in balance side. I'm just seeing it coming back into this zone, right here, consolidating and stuff. For now, just consolidating. That's it. If in any case it doesn't go as planned, then I'm out. But mind you, also, if we break out of a resistance, then we consolidate, that means acceptance of moving high. But according to TPO, right, we had that just a slight move out of that this consolidation zone, and we do not have that, like, that expansion that needs to be around here. you know if we really mean to go up, then we should kind of get out, consolidate, then try and move higher, like get high. Should I, you know consolidate, break, consolidate, and balance, you know something like that. But this just trying to get out, maybe to induce people like we are going on a buy, you know then all of a sudden we are back into this. That's what I would love to see, back into this, then move higher. Well, maybe I'm saying that because I do have a trade running. But this consolidation right here, it also means they might be consolidating to move price higher. It's not just saying just one concept of pushing lower. So CVD is almost breaking that high, which is a clear indication interest of moving higher. Let's see if CVD breaks it and close above. Yeah. So I'm down 1.6. Should I be taking another trade? I don't think so. I've taken more than enough. At this point, I'll be just, misbehaving. There's not too much volume at this point. I think the volume has it's kind of like, so yeah, we do have this break. Yeah, we have buyers coming in. I still think we still get. I mean, I still have 500. Still have more 300 and something to work with. I still think my bias is right. I actually had I think I'll be stopped out right there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's enough. So I think that's okay for me. From 700 to negative 284. All right. See you, man. Be blessed.